Welcome to the video series on corporate accountancy. This is Satish Kumar and Mahale, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Bada. In this video, we are going to understand problems relating to internal reconstruction, especially on reduction of capital. Let's directly go to the illustration. ABC Limited decided to go for internal reconstruction on the following terms. Firstly, 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each are reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 4 each fully paid. 10,000 9% preference shares of rupees 10 each are reduced to equal number of shares of 9% preference shares of 6 fully paid. 100 10% debentures of rupees 500 each are converted to 500 6% debentures of rupees 50 each. The debit balance of the using these reduction amounts, we are going to write off firstly the debit balance of the profit and loss account of rupees 25,000. Preliminary expenses of rupees 30,000 were to be written off, and also the value of machinery and building were to be written off or to be written down by rupees 95,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively. So they have asked us to pass the necessary journal entries. Let us have a look at these first three adjustments and then we'll go to the solution. Firstly, we have 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each, which are reduced to equal number of shares of 4 each fully paid. Here the number of equity shares haven't been changed, but only the amount from 10 fully paid, it has been reduced to rupees 4, so it has been reduced by rupees 6. Here, in the second situation also, 10,000 9% preference shares of rupees 10 each are reduced to equal number of shares of 9% preference shares of 6 fully paid. Here also number of preference shares have not been reduced, but their face value has been reduced from rupees 6 to 4. So 4 rupees has been reduced. But when case of debentures, 110% debentures of 500 each are converted to 506% debentures of 50 each. Here the number of debentures have been increased, but the interest on debentures and also the face value of debentures have been reduced to half. So firstly, we calculate the capital reduction amount. Firstly, 50,000 equity shares into rupees 6 per share. I hope how we got this amount is clear. That is amounting to rupees 3 lakhs. Next, 10,000 preference shares into 4 per share. It was reduced by 4 per share. So the amount is reduction amount amounts to rupees 40,000. Here, to calculate the reduction amount of debentures, we have to calculate two amounts. 10%, 110% debentures of 500 each, 50,000. This is the initial lot. And next it was converted to 506% debentures of rupees 50 each. So it was the face value was 25,000. So it is reduced by rupees 25,000. So total capital reduction amount amounts to 3,65,000 rupees. Let us have a look at the journal entries in the books of ABC Limited. Firstly, equity shares capital account debtor to capital reduction account. Equity share capital, what is it is reduced by 50,000 into 6, 3 lakhs. It is sent to capital reduction account. Then 9% preference share capital, face value has not been changed. The number of shares have not been changed, only the face value has been changed. So the journal entry would be 9% preference shares, that is 10,000 into 4 to capital reduction account, 40,000. Here the face value of debentures have been changed, so there is a variation in the journal entry. So we pass 10% debenture account debtor to new debentures account, that is 6% debentures account, that is 500 into 50 to capital reduction account. So 50,000, 25,000. And using these amounts, that is total of 3,65,000, we pay off. So the journal entry would be capital reduction account to profit and loss account, that is the debit balance of the profit and loss account, to preliminary expenses account, to machinery account, to building account, and the balance which is remaining is transferred to capital reserve, that is amounting to 1,15,000. So these are the journal entries that need to be passed in this above problem. For further illustrations and better understanding of the concept, you can refer the textbooks by Corporate Accountancy by Dr. T.N. Godi, and also you can refer Corporate Accountancy by P.C. Tulsian, and also any other reference books which are available as per the university syllabus. I hope you are watching this video. Until the next video,